Ken Pangilinan, Coach Vicky Casiano, Lampi Cristobal ang yung mga kasama. Third quarter, so na talagang namayagpag ang Quezon 18-7. John Abate from the corner hits the free.
Will be achieved halfway this year. First, ay sana nga daw makakuha sila ng national championship this year, and second is to snatch also that Rookie of the Year award. Though in terms of minutes,
Gustong pumoste si Diego Dario, kanyang susubukan. Pinasa na lang niya sa labas. Lock up sa 3. Pasok yan.
Now lock up.
Rivera. Pumostehan si Caliano. Caliano pulling the chair. Manansala lost it. Caliano. Pass to the outside. Lars Sunga. In and out dribble. Off the glass. Lays it in. Piso. Balik kay Diego Dario. Crossover. Dario. Can't finish. Gravera trying to stick it back in. Third effort is there for Rodel Gravera. Abate with the rebound. Quezon taking their time. Cruising along. Ryan Lacap. Sneaks in. The layup is good for Brian Lacap. 76-47.
Magandang hapon, Coach Mike.
Paggabi naman na.
Ano oras na ba? Di ba? 5 something pa eh. 5:40. So magandang hapon, Coach Mike.
Si Jake.
Jake Figueroa, 5 years din.
Yun nga, yung pinag-uusapan natin last Friday, nakita ko yung post ni Nashi. Desoyo with a long 2-pointer. Nakita ko yung
Coach John Calios a reminder that there will always be a person or even some people who will believe in you in whichever season you are in.
rebound na kuha ni Cholo. Manansala! Nabitin!
Nag-alangan dun si Cholo. Kala ko nga, idadunk ni
Kaya
Cholo
nga
eh.
Got thrown off. Diego Dario comes away with a steal. Great pass. Manansala will throw it down. Last 2 minutes brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL. Pero yung mga bagong muka sa kanilang team, Ryan Lacap, another triple. Ambra, they will be facing later on this month. Batangas City. Meron pa silang Caloocan at San Juan. Gravera with the lefty throwdown.
Parang ang dali nung pagkakagawa ni Gravera. What you were talking about, I think they could match up properly because you could see yung ano nila yung the contenders here in the MPBL.
Gravera Mintes. Matakbo si CJ Tan. Tries another free and he hits it. Back-to-back triples from C. Lagrama creating separation. His free is good as well. So that's something to look out for para sa mga Quezonians na masugid na taga-subaybay ng Quezon Huskers. They will pick up this victory against the Sarangani squad.